안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome back to the Basic Korean series. Today's lesson is about 여기가 어디예요? Where is this place? Before we dive into today's expressions, let's first learn about the pronouns 여기, 저기, and 거기. These words respectively mean here, there, and there. 여기 means here and is used when the speaker is referring to a place where the speaker currently is, or where the speaker is pointing to it. 저기 means there and used to indicate a place that is far from both the speaker and listener. 거기 also means there in English, but it is used to indicate a place close to the listener or a place that has been mentioned before. These pronouns are used in sentences with the particles 가 or 는. When used with the subject marker 가, these pronouns become 여기가, 저기가, 거기가. When used with the topic marker 는, they become 여기는, 저기는, 거기는. In spoken Korean, these words can also be shortened to 여긴, 저긴, 거긴. Now let's learn today's vocabulary. 여기가, 여기가, 저기가, 저기가, 거기가, 거기가. 여기는, 여긴, 여기는, 여긴. 저기는, 저긴, 저기는, 저긴. 거기는, 거긴, 거기는, 거긴. 어디, 어디. 이에요, 이에요, 예요, 예요. 시장, 시장. 병원, 병원. 공원, 공원. 주유소, 주유소. 학교, 학교. 경찰서, 경찰서. Now let's learn today's phrases. 여기가 어디예요? 여기가 어디예요? 여긴 시장이에요. 여긴 시장이에요. 저기가 어디예요? 저기가 어디예요? 저긴 병원이에요. 저긴 병원이에요. 거기가 어디예요? 거기가 어디예요? 거긴 공원이에요. 거긴 공원이에요. 여기가 어디예요? 여기가 어디예요? 여긴 주유소예요. 여긴 주유소예요. 저기가 어디예요? 저기가 어디예요? 저긴 학교예요. 저긴 학교예요. 거기가 어디예요? 거기가 어디예요? 거긴 경찰서예요. 거긴 경찰서예요. Here are the things we learned today. Don't forget to review them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. 감사합니다.